guys! Welcome back to my channel, and this is Les, and for today's vlog, I am going to do a quick review and a little test run of this local brand here in the Philippines, which is the Mermaid Beauty. So just a quick summary guys of what Mermaid Beauty is. I've discovered them in Instagram and I was intrigued with their Glow Kit highlighter. And I've read their profile that they are an artisanal cosmetic line. They are 100% cruelty free and they are very safe to use. Also, from my discoveries, I've discovered that the owner of Mermaid Beauty is an Ilongga. So it's very convenient for me to ask her some questions regarding the product. So let me show you guys the first product that I got from Mermaid Beauty. Let me introduce to you their Mermaid Beauty Rocket Palette. So here it is guys. It's a very simple packaging only. Ayan. And let me show you what's inside. So their Rocket Palette is composed of 40 shades, all colorful, except that in the bottom they also have the neutral shades. And I'm very impressed with this palette because the powder is well milled and it's also pigmented. It's pigmented because I tried to test run this product the other night. Nung paglagay ko ng eyeshadow and then tinanggal ko na siya, I tried to remove it using a regular makeup remover na parang baby wipes lang. And naglilip pa siya ng stain. So, kumakapit yung kulay ng palette na to sa skin. And then, I also tried using an oil-infused makeup remover. Ganun pa rin, ang hirap talaga. So, parang dun pa lang, na-impress talaga ako. Kasi, ang hirap nilang tanggalin. Meaning to say, kumakapit talaga yung kulay sa eyes mo. So, what I did was, I really have to wash my face to scrub it para lang siya matanggal. So, that's it guys. Ito yung Mermaid Rocket Palette nila. And this is also suitable sa mga makeup artist natin, sa mga self-made makeup artist na gusto yung mga colorful na mga eyeshadows, yung mga pegs nila na parang pang drag queens. Pwede to. This is a really nice product and I will be showing you later on because I will be doing a quick makeup, a quick eye makeup lang, just to let you know how pigmented the color is of this palette. So the next product that I got from them is the Mermaid Beauty Glow Kit. So ito po yung highlighter nila mga girls, and you will really love this highlighter. I also loved it. It's because when you take a look inside, ayan. Ayan siya. Parang hindi siya nakikita. Wait lang. Yan. Ito siya. Parang mermaid-ish na beauty corn-ish siya na highlighter. It's not like the other highlighters na parang nagsistick lang siya sa kulay gold, kulay silver, kulay pink. Ito, when you applied it, parang may shimmer siya na parang umiiba yung kulay. Parang umiiba siya pag tinignan mo on the other side, it's color blue. And then, pag tinignan mo naman on the other side, umiiba yung kulay niya, parang kulay green or bluish green, ganun. And then, let me show you the swatches. Those are the swatches that I made and I posted it on my Instagram. I swatched it under the sun just to see if kumikinang ba talaga. There are some local brand of highlighters na kahit anong swatch mo, hindi siya kumukulay. Nakikita mo lang siya na pag ganun mo, oo, parang kumukulay siya, parang nag-highlight siya. But when you applied it on your skin, hindi nakikita yung pagka-highlights niya. So, parang si Mermaid Beauty, parang na-proven niya, even under the sun, nakikita yung pagka-highlights. I'm really impressed with this. And also, well-milled din yung powder niya. So, I like it. Well-milled siya. So, I love it guys. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. I don't have any other words to say, but maganda to yung highlighter na to, and it's worth the price. And guys, sorry that I didn't post the price, but I will be posting it under the description box. It's because I forgot kung magkano sila lahat. The final product that I got from Mermaid Beauty is their Mermaid Beauty Mimic Brows. Ayan siya girls. Papakita ko lang. Wait lang. Ayan. And this is in the shade of brown. And let me papakita ko lang close up. Ayan. Ayan yung kanyang tip. And ayan siya. There. And also guys, let me just tell you that the Mermaid Beauty Mimic Brow is pangmatagalan talaga siya, pandigmaan talaga siya. It's because ang hirap niyang tanggalin. I swear, ang hirap niyang tanggalin sa eyebrows mo. Kahit oil-infused siya na makeup remover or just the baby wipes kind of remover, ang hirap niya talagang tanggalin. You have to make hilamos talaga on your face just to remove it. So, also, I like this one. It's because tinestan ko siya, parang nag-microblading ako. Yung peg ng ng performance ni Mimic Brow ni Mermaid Beauty, parang naka-microblading yung eyebrows mo. Guys, naglagay na ako ng foundation and I used the Inga Cover Fitting Foundation. Let me just show it to you guys. Ayan, siya yan. And then, let's put on some concealer na. The concealer that I'll be using is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer. Ito po siya. Yan. And, madalian lang talaga siya. Para at least makita na natin yung performance ng Rocket Palette, ng highlighter, at ng Mimic Brow ni Mermaid Beauty. So, after that one, guys, I'm going to put already a setting powder and I'm going to use the Nishido. And I'll just be applying it under my eye. And for the face powder, guys, I will be using the Squad Cosmetics You Can Face It Pressed Powder. Ayan. I'm just going to apply it all over my face except on my under eye. Ayan na. And then we're ready. Let's test drive the Mermaid Beauty Rocket Palette. And the first shade that I will be using is the Fuchsia Pink. Yung shimmer talaga, no? Oh, taray, diba? Try it on my eyes. Oh, diba? Ang taray. There. And then, the second shade that I'll be using from the Rocket Palette is the purple one. Purple ba ito or violet? Kasi parang ito yung purple eh. So, ito, violet. There. See? So nice. The next shade will be the blue one. So, babasahin ko lang siya guys ha, para makita ko talaga yung pagka-blue niya. And you know what guys, this Rocket Palette, pag swipe mo agad sa eyes mo, nakikita mo agad yung kulay niya. Hindi na parang paulit-ulit mo pa siya. Kasi yung iba kasi, ang hirap talaga yung ma-achieve yung kulay na gusto nila. Pero ito, yung gumawa na product na to, ay nako, grabe ka girl. Gandang natin ng konti. There. Oh, I love it. And then, I'm not yet done. We are going to put a shimmer. Tingnan natin yung shimmer niya. I will not be creasing or anything. I will just, you know, rely on the Rocket Palette. So, I will not be putting any crease because, of course, I don't know how to put a crease. And I'm going to use this shade, sorry. Yan. And we'll see the outcome. There you go. Maybe a little pa dito. There. See? Love it. So guys, that's it for the eyes. I'm going to just finish it off on the other eyes. And I will be showing you the result for both of the eyes if maganda yung kulay niya. Okay?
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm done with my eyeshadow and take a look at it. Ayan. So lahat ng shades na yan, it came from the Rocket Palette of Mermaid Beauty. So guys, what I did with my eyebrow is I used the Mermaid Beauty Mimic Brows. So I just outlined my eyebrows and then I shaded those parts na kailangan niyang i-shade. So, let's go na guys to the highlighter. So, let's contour first my fez. Magkukontour muna tayo kasi, alam mo, parang nag-ano na kasi ako nag-gain ng weight na ako dito sa Bacolod. Sa kain lang ng kain, tapos milk tea lang ng milk tea. Unlike dun sa Manila na parang may disiplina talaga ako sa bahay. Kasi, syempre, parang nagdi-detox talaga ako doon, mga ganun. Pero dito wala. Tapos, ang sarap pa kasi ng pagkain na niluluto ng mom ko. So, parang, ay nako, ewan. So, ayan guys. Kailangan natin ng highlight ng contour ngayon. It's because tumataba na tayo dito sa Bacolod and kailangan natin umuwi para maging slim na naman tayo doon. Ayan. And guys, if napapansin nyo, ganito talaga ako mag-contour. Hindi ko alam, kahit dati pa, hindi kompleto yung contour ko pag hindi din nalalagyan yung nose ko. Okay. So, where's my contour brush? And guys, I'm using Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in For Sure again because I really love this shade.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm done with my contour and my blush on. So let's start applying the Mermaid Glow Kit highlighter. And the shade that I will be using from this highlighter palette is this one. So, ayan. Oh, there. I love it. See, nakikita nyo sa nose ko, oh. Ang ganda niya. And then, let's try the other, ito na. And the shade of the lipstick that I will be using is just a simple shade kasi bongga na yung shade ng eyes natin. So the lipstick that I'm wearing right now is from Sunny's Face Fluff Mate in Baby Spice. And I'm going to top it off with Patrick Ta's Major Glow Lip Shine. Yun. Parang mukhang mermaid talaga tayo mga te. Ayan. See? So girls, this is my final look. And tingnan nyo naman, mukhang mermaid na ba ako sa look na to. So majority of the product that I used here is from Mermaid Beauty, which is the Rocket Palette for my eyes. For my highlighter, it's the Mermaid Beauty Glow Kit. For my eyebrows, it's the... Sorry, for my eyebrows, it's the Mermaid Beauty Mimic Brow. And yun lang girls, and I can rate Mermaid Beauty as 10 out of 10. Not because pareho kaming ilongga, but because the product itself, I'm very satisfied. It's very pigmented, it's safe to use, and it's cruelty-free. So, ayun girls, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope you enjoy my makeup look and my review as well. So, yun lang yung review ko. Actually, yung downside lang dun sa Mermaid Beauty is, nung in-order ko yung products nila, parang delay ng konti, and I even asked them twice if kailan darating. And I was informed they are in the midst of production with the Rocket Palette. So, understood naman yun. So, anyway girls, again, thank you so much. And if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and please do follow me on my Instagram. It's LesB, it's LE SSB. I have an ongoing giveaway mga girls, so please join. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-join, mag-join na kayo. It's open to all PH residents and open to all walks of life. So, Pampa-Valentine's Day ko na yun sa inyo. So anyway guys, again, thank you so much. I will be posting the Instagram of Mermaid Beauty and their Shopee account, so that if ever that you have already make up your mind to order their products, you can just go directly to them, send them a message, or go to their Shopee account. So anyway guys, thank you so much again for watching my vlog, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!